In 1976, the PUMA line of turning centers was born. And today, more than 40 years later, all of that history and the lessons we've learned have helped to create a remarkable new turning center, the PUMA TT2100SYY. Put simply, this is everything you could ever want in a lathe. A left and right spindle, each sporting 22 kilowatt power and spinning at 5,000 revolutions a minute. The twin turrets sport 12 stations and 24 positions, ensuring you have all the tools you need for the most complex jobs. And the dual Y-axis gives you the flexibility to harness the power of your machining creativity. Plus, active thermal compensation guarantees accuracy over long part runs. Add it all up, and you have a machine that truly lets you duplicate your applications and boost productivity. Whatever your process is, you'll find a universal truth in the PUMA TT2100SYY. This is a turning center without limits, one that lets you be as creative as you want to be.